Iran has launched a major strike on Israel, a move that could trigger a full-scale regional war. In this video, we will walk you through what just happened, why it happened, and what could come next. This is not just another skirmish, this could reshape the entire Middle East. According to confirmed reports, Iran launched a coordinated missile and drone attack on strategic targets inside Israel, including military bases, air defense sites, and communication centers. Initial estimates suggest dozens of missiles and armed drones were launched from Iranian territory and possibly from Iranian-backed militias in Syria, Iraq, and Yemen. Israel's Iron Dome intercepted many incoming threats, but damage and casualties are being reported in multiple regions, including Tel Aviv and the Golan Heights. Israel responded immediately with retaliatory airstrikes, targeting Iranian military facilities in Syria and possibly inside Iran itself. The Israeli Defense Forces have gone on full alert. Reserve units are being mobilized. Prime Minister has declared any nation or militia that dares attack Israel will bear full responsibility. We are ready for any scenario. Tensions have been building for months. Some key possible triggers: an Israeli strike on an Iranian nuclear site last week, the assassination of a top Iranian general in Syria, growing clashes between Israeli forces and Iranian-backed Hezbollah in Lebanon. Iran's leadership warned it would retaliate, and now, they have followed through big time. This is not just a local fight anymore. Hezbollah in Lebanon and Hamas in Gaza may join the fray. U.S. forces in the region are on high alert. Oil prices are already spiking. Global powers are urging restraint but preparing for the worst. Some analysts are calling this the most dangerous moment in the Middle East since 1973. All eyes are now on what Israel does next and whether Iran will escalate further. Could this trigger a full regional war? Will the US or other powers get directly involved? This situation is rapidly unfolding and we will be tracking every major development. This is a moment of global consequence. Stay informed, stay alert, and most of all, stay human.